Looking at the best solutions for safe and functional seating and positioning, Vicair incorporates the many factors influencing the status of your skin, posture, and daily life. Vicair wheelchair cushions are designed to take these essential elements of sitting in a wheelchair into account. Protecting the skin with a cushion involves more than just redistributing pressure and offloading. Increased pressure on bony prominences of the body and shear and friction forces from sliding in the wheelchair can damage the skin and underlying tissues, reduce blood flow, and potentially lead to pressure injuries. A cushion must also manage the microclimate properties, like breathability, temperature, and moisture, while at the same time providing comfort. That's why Vicair cushions have an open structure that ensures optimal temperature and moisture regulation of the cushion. The SmartCells, in combination with the cushion compartment, provide redistribution of pressure and minimizes shear forces. Vicair wheelchair cushions offer skin protection at the highest level. Good positioning in a wheelchair is essential. A wheelchair cushion should offer stability and the ability to accommodate the user's posture. It safeguards the integrity of the bone structure. In addition, a good compartment layout can provide a stable seating surface, making it easier to maintain a good sitting position. Sitting stable allows for greater reach, which can make the difference between being able to grab something or not. Vicair wheelchair cushions provide optimal support and ensure a stable sitting position. It is important that a wheelchair user can carry out their daily activities as easily as possible, without having to spend their energy on maintaining a wheelchair cushion. It is also important for professionals that maintaining a cushion is not too time-consuming. Vicair wheelchair cushions require hardly any maintenance, are lightweight and machine washable. Easy for users, efficient for professionals, everything to make life easier. With Vicair, you have a safe, comfortable, stable, and functional solution at the highest level. With Vicair, you have the perfect package.